In the Quran, who built the Tower of Babel?
Yeah, this is kind of wild. In the story, Nimrod builds the Tower of Babel. You find it in Genesis chapters 10 and 11. But Muhammad knows so little about the Torah. He knows he's illiterate and he's only hearing oral traditions. He doesn't have, believing parents or uncles. And so what Muhammad says is that it's Pharaoh who commissioned the building of the tower, and Haman, who comes from the Persian era and a way different book of Esther, 1,000 years later, is the one who constructed it. And it's in Egypt. All of that is wrong. You have the Tower of Babel that's built in Mesopotamia, presumably by Nimrod, and it's before Abraham. But this has the Tower of Babel being built 1,000 years after it should be by a guy who lives 1,000 years after that, because Muhammad assumed that the tower was probably the pyramids. And the problem with that is the last pyramid was built nearly 1,000 years before Moses. And yet it's Pharaoh building the tower so that he can see the God of Moses. It's absurd. It's totally mixed up.